Below you're given an inverted triangular pyramid. What do they mean by inverted? Well, if you look at the triangular pyramid here in the yellow, you'll notice that it's flipped over when you compare it to a more traditionally placed triangular pyramid like the one here on the left. So inverted just means flipped over. It goes on to say that the top base, so the base is at the top in this triangular pyramid, has a height of 5.3 inches and a base of 11.4 inches. The triangular pyramid has a volume of 151.05 cubic inches. What is the height of the pyramid? So how do we figure that out? What formula should we start with? Well, if they're giving us the volume of the pyramid, let's take a look at that. So this is the pyramid formula for any pyramid, regardless of what the base is. You just take 1/3, you multiply it by the area of that base, and then by the height of the pyramid. So let's just start filling some numbers in. V stands for volume, and the volume is 151.05. And then what? B is base, right? Oh, I see here it says base is 11.4. Is that what I do? H is height. It says the height is 5.3. Well, I don't have a variable, and it tells me to find the height, but they're giving me the height here. This is a common mistake people make when dealing with volume of pyramids and prisms when the base is a triangle. And that's because the area of the base, so in this case, the area of this triangle here, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So we're just using the words base and height in different ways here, in two different formulas that we're using to find the answer to the same question. So it's important when you are reading this formula for volume that you are saying, okay, 1/3 times the area of the base. Okay, the base is a triangle. What's the area of the triangle formula? 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. Let's draw that triangle base over here on the left. This helps you to more clearly label the parts of the triangle that you have to put into this formula. So it tells you that this top base triangle has a height of 5.3 inches. So the height of a triangle is the distance from the apex straight down, perpendicular to the middle of this base. So this distance is 5.3, the height. And then the base of this triangle is 11.4. So let's substitute those into our area formula. So when we multiply 1/2 times 11.4 times 5.3, we get 30.21. So the area of the triangle base is 30.21. That's what we substitute into our volume formula. All right, what's next? H. Remember, this is the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid is it this? Nope, that's the height of our base. The question is, what is the height of our pyramid? So we don't know what it is. So we're just going to leave that as H. Now this is the equation that we want to solve. Now if we want to get H by itself, before we start moving things around, let's simplify the left side first. Let's multiply 30.21 times 1/3, and we get 10.07. Now what do we do to solve for H? We're going to undo this multiplying by 10.07 by dividing both sides. And when we do that, that cancels out and we end up with H equals 15. Now H equals 15 what? Let's take a look at the problem. What units are they using? Inches. So it's 15 inches tall.